how can we help EU legal professionals implementing European standards, which are enshrined in both the EU and Council of Europe systems, laws and case law?
Of course, first of all, it's necessary that the law as such is known. Convention, for example, Charter of Fundamental Rights. But which is even more important is also the fact that our legal practitioners, especially the judges who are making the decisions in applying the convention, interpret the European standards in the same way in the different European countries. Now, how can training contribute to this aim? Setting European standards that are equal across Europe could firstly be done, and this is done by the HELP program of the Council of Europe, by developing common training material. If the material is common, then obviously also the interpretation could be more harmonized. There is another way which is so far not so much used by the HELP program, but which we try to use more within the European Union. And that is by also trying to bring together the legal practitioners from different countries in the training. So to train judges from several different countries together, because the effect will be, especially if you are solving cases, that they will notice that they have a slightly different understanding, for example, of some terminology of the Charter or the Convention. They will notice it not from a theoretical point, but because the person sitting next to them will solve the case slightly differently. And then they will notice that it's necessary to come to a common understanding, because otherwise they would never have the same solution in their different countries. So I think one of the aims where training can help to implement European standards in an equal way is also by joint training activities.